Hey guys, Sam here with Lilypad Network. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a front end for a Lilypad module. Please keep in mind this tutorial is for Unix-based machines such as Macs and Linux. So please keep that in mind and let's get started. We're going to be following along with this blog post that will help us along the way. So first thing we're going to do is open up our terminal here. And zoom in. All right, let's get started. Let's create a feeless front end for a Lilypad module. We're going to be following along here. Here is the GitHub link. If you guys want to check that out, we will make sure to link that down below. To get started, we're just going to create a new Next.js project. Click enter, put that into your terminal. Name your project. And then follow the steps to set up your project. Wait for that to be set up. We're going to want to cd into Lilypad and open up our VS Code. Next step is we will want to prepare our CLI wrapper. And the first step says create a new file named .env to manage your environment variables. And this is where we'll paste our private keys. So we'll go ahead and create a file called .env and copy paste this. Next, you'll want to go into your MetaMask and collect your private keys. Go to account details, show private key, type in your password, hold to reveal private key, and copy your private key. Make sure you are using a dev wallet. You do not want to be posting your valuable private keys anywhere. It's a huge security risk, so please be aware. Now we're going to paste our private keys in here. Copy, save. And to avoid publishing your private keys online, you will want to add it to your git.gitignore. And save that. The next step is going back to your terminal and installing npm install.env. Now we're going to navigate back to our project and open up our app folder. In our app folder, we're going to create a folder for pages and APIs. In this folder, you will want to create a new file called CLI-wrapper.js. And you're going to want to copy and paste this code into this file. Like so, and save. Next, we're going to navigate back to our terminal and we're going to prepare our server. So we're going to install Express and install course. Then npm install course. Once that's complete, go back to your VS Code, go to your app folder and create a file called server.js. In your server.js file, you will want to copy this code and paste it. Click save. In your app folder, you'll want to delete the default contents that come inside your page TSX. So we can do that. And we're going to want to copy and paste this code below. Paste that, save that. Next, to run our front end, we'll want to update our nextconfig.js file. As you see here, it is an MJS file. We can just rename that to JS and copy and paste this into here. Like so, and save. Now we're ready to test our front end. We'll want to open up two terminals. And cd into your app folder on both of them, cd app folder. Now that we're in our app folders in both terminals, we'll want to use one to run our node server.js. And the second one to use npm run dev. Give it a few minutes. And then you'll want to open your local host. And there you have it. You have your Lilypad image generator. In here, you'll be able to type in your prompt and generate an image. All right, and I went ahead and typed in rainbow Pokemon fighting in the forest, and this is what I got. You could see Lilypad in the terminal did run the job, and it completed it, and it outputted an image. So thanks again for being here and watching this tutorial, and we'll make sure to link the blog and GitHub down below. Thank you so much. Catch you later.